Hello, friends. Welcome to English Unleashed now. My name is Ahmed, and today we are going to talk about something very close to your heart. How to feel more confident when speaking English. Confidence is not magic. It is not a gift that some people have and others do not. Confidence is a skill you can build step by step. Like building a house, like training a muscle. Many learners feel nervous. Maybe you feel nervous too. Maybe when you open your mouth, the words do not come. Or you think, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? What if I forget the right word? Listen carefully. You are not alone. Millions of people feel the same. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. When you speak and you make an error, you learn. Next time, you will do better. So instead of running away from mistakes, welcome them. Say to yourself, I am learning. I am growing. Every word I say makes me stronger. Now, let us explore some simple steps. First, practice every day. Not for hours. Only 5 minutes. Yes, just 5 minutes. Speak out loud. Say something simple. Describe your room. Talk about your day. Repeat a sentence you heard. 5 minutes each day builds your confidence. Second, listen to English often. Listen to short stories, conversations, or even simple videos. Then repeat what you hear. This is shadowing. It makes your tongue faster. It makes your mind quicker. And slowly, you start to sound natural. Third, do not stop when you forget a word. Keep going. Use another word. Smile. People will understand you. Even if you are not perfect. Remember, confidence grows with use. Like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Now let me ask you a question. Have you ever stayed quiet in a group because you were afraid of mistakes? Think about it. Why did you stay quiet? What did you feel in that moment? Here is another question. When you made a mistake in English, did anyone really laugh at you? Or was it only your own fear? And one more question. What small step can you take today, right now, to practice speaking with courage? Write your answer in the comments below. At the end of this video, I will give you my answer too. Now, let us talk about the bigger meaning of confidence. Confidence is not only about speaking English. It is about life. At work, in relationships, in daily situations. Confidence is the feeling that says, I can do this. But many people compare themselves to others. And this kills confidence. When you compare, you see someone better. And you feel small. Weak. Not enough. Stop comparing. Look at your own journey. Your own progress. Last year, maybe you could not say a full sentence. Today, you can speak for 1 minute. This is progress. Celebrate it. Celebration is powerful. You do not need big wins. Small wins are enough. Maybe you spoke to a stranger. Maybe you shared an idea in class. Maybe you asked a question at work. Celebrate these moments. Write them in a notebook. Later, when you feel low, open the notebook. Read your wins. And say, yes, I did this. Another truth is about failure. Many people fear failure. But failure is not the end. Failure is a teacher. When something does not work, you learn. Next time, you try again. And you succeed. So do not fear failure. Do not fear mistakes. Embrace them. Learn from them. Grow stronger with them. Confidence also grows when you step out of your comfort zone. Comfort zone means staying safe. But safe does not make you grow. Try something new. Speak to a colleague. Join a group. Ask a question in English class. Give one idea in a meeting. Each time you do something new, your confidence rises. And always treat yourself with respect. Do not call yourself stupid. Do not say, I am not good enough. Speak kindly to yourself, like you would to a friend. You can also use affirmations. Say simple sentences every morning. For example, I am learning every day. I can do this. I am becoming more confident. It may sound small, but repeated words make a strong mind. Track your progress. Write your goals. See how far you have come. When you notice progress, you feel stronger. And feed your mind with positive ideas. Read good books. Listen to podcasts that inspire you. Follow people who share hope and growth. Because what you hear, what you read, what you think, becomes who you are. So remember, confidence is a skill. You can build it. Step by step. Each day. Each word. Each effort. Earlier, I asked you 3 questions. Did you stay quiet because of fear? Did people really laugh at your mistakes? What small step can you take today? Here is my answer. Yes, I stayed quiet many times. I thought people would laugh. But in truth, no one laughed. It was only my fear. And my small step today is to speak out loud, every day, even if I am alone. That is how I grow. Now it is your turn. Share your answers in the comments. Tell me, what will you do today to build your confidence? Friends, you are capable. You are learning. You are growing. Do not stop. Do not give up. Every day, speak a little. Every day, practice a little. And soon you will shine. This is Ahmed from English Unleashed Now. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this lesson helpful, watch it again. 2 times. 3 times. More. Each time you watch, you will understand better and you will speak stronger. Subscribe to English Unleashed now. Leave a comment. Share this with your friends. And remember, your confidence is waiting for you. You just have to build it. Keep going. Keep learning. And I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye and happy learning.